We are sitting here today, and this mound behind me is the remnants of the great city of Cowee, located on the banks of the Little Tennessee River in what is now called Macon County, North Carolina. And so the reason why we come to these places is to reconnect, not just with the place itself, but with ourselves, because we come from these places. This is where our ancestors lived. They made these places. They fixed these places for there to be habitation, and we lived here according to the rules set down by our society to live in an environmental and biological cooperative state, a sustainable state with everything around us. The meaning of life was to understand these things, not control them. That's our purpose here, is to be helpers. Not takers, but helpers.